Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the immunity in the 5 minutes, right? So let's start the video. Here immunity, it is nothing but resistance acquired by a host. Host means the person, particular organism, particular living organism, when it acquired a particular resistance towards injury which is caused by microorganisms and their products, right? So it may be any pathogen or any intermediate which is from the microorganism or a small organism, any kinds of injury or infection or some kinds of disease, if it is may cause the particular host or the body or living organism, when it will acquire resistance towards this microorganism, that is called immunity, or in another term it's a protection against the infectious disease. Immunity is nothing but protection against the infectious disease, okay? And we can also say the reaction of the body against any foreign antigen, right? That's what antigen antibody reaction taken place, that is called immunological response for the particular organism, right? So that's what we know, that very much that particular pathogen, when it will be enter into the body, our defense mechanism, our defense system, it is having certain cells which will act towards to kill that one or to inhibit the growth or replication, that is called immunity. So basically what are the components it is there into the immune system, what are the cells it is involved into the immune system, into the our body or into the living organisms, like leukocytes, right? So leukocytes, it is divided into the 4 category: lymphocytes, phagocytes, auxiliary cells, and interferon cytokines, or tissue types of cell, right? Interferons. Okay, so let's discuss what are the things are there into that. And lymphocytes, B cell will come, T cell will come, and the large granular lymphocytes, it also comes under this category. Coming to the phagocytes, mononuclear phagocytes, it is there, then neutrophils, it is there, and eosinophils, right? So these are the cells which will be there under phagocytes. Coming to the auxiliary cells, there will be the basophil, mast cell, and platelets comes under this category. And interferon also, it is one of the cell protein which will be transmit the signals. Okay, so these are the components. Coming to the types of, basically the immunity is 2 types: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. When we talk about innate immunity, it may be non-specific, it may be specific. Okay, so under this there will be species, racial, and individual, right? When we talk about the specific species, so species, it will be particular species, like human will be having certain immunity towards a certain organism, animal will be having certain immunities towards a certain organism. Say for example, coronavirus can infect to the human being, so human body, it will develop the antibodies against the coronavirus, whereas the other reptiles, invertebrates, they will not be going to affect by the COVID-19, so they will not be having. So that's what species specific immunity, that's what. Coming to the racial, like genetic resistance, it will be there country wise. Say for example, Plasmodium falciparum in South Africa, it will be there, so South Africa people will be having immunity against the Plasmodium falciparum, whereas Plasmodium vivax, it will transmit into the India, so Indian people will be having certain immunity. So that's what racial means, social you can say, right? Coming to the individual resistance, the individual person will be having their own immunity. Say for example, some person, it may be affected and they may die with the COVID-19. Some people also get affected, but they will not even get any symptoms. So it depends, right? That's what. Coming to the second major types, adaptive immunity, it may be active or passive. So coming to the inactive, also there will be the natural, artificial. In passive also there will be the natural and artificial. Coming to the in this natural, when we talk about active, natural adaptive immunity means when the person exposed to the pathogen. So say for example, any person, if it will be exposed to the COVID-19, so it will get the it will try to their immune component, it will try to produce the antibodies by their plasma cells, and whatever the immunity will develop, that will call the natural adaptive active immunity. Coming to the artificial, induced by vaccine. Some vaccine, now we have taken the different vaccine for COVID-19, right? So those vaccines, it is having it is going to give the information to our plasma cell to produce the antibody against the COVID-19, so that will call the that artificial active immunity. Okay, coming to the adaptive only, passive side, there will be again natural and artificial. Coming to the natural passive adaptive immunity, during pregnancy, whatever the immunity is going to develop toward the child and toward mother, so that is called natural. Coming to the artificial, sometimes we are giving the injection like gamma globulins to develop the artificial passive adaptive immunity so that the person can survive. So these are the different types of immunity which will be happen into the different organisms, depends on the particular habitat, and these are the components which will be basically it is given here in the by taking the reference of the human body. Okay, so thank you.